Hello, my name is Rick Desses and today I will explain you about the stamps module in Coolrig's inventory. As you see in the dashboard, you have 5 different options for the stamps. See all stamps, add stamps series, stamp wizard and stamp types. Let's go to see all stamps. You can click on it in the dashboard here, or you can go to the navigation here and click on see all stamps. You have two important parts on the screen, the search and the table. The search part gives you the possibility to filter your data. The table part will display your data. So for the moment we didn't filter anything, so you see also all the data then. And you have here also paging. So let's do a search. I will put in description Acacia. Didn't find anything. It means my description is wrong. Let me take Aka. Yes. So here you see the result of my filtering. Now I did already a filtering or a search on description, but you can combine more options, of course. You can filter on catalog, catalog number, description, as we did, only series, file stamps from series, from year, to year, type, and you have also an option to order by, the direction on which you want to order, and the number you want to display on your screen. If you did a search and you want to reset everything, so stop the filtering, then just click on reset. It's best that you play a little bit with this search to learn it and to learn how to filter. It's quite easy to do. Let's look at the table part now, the part where you see all your data. The first column in the table part is the ID. It is self-generated by the system. Then the second part is the catalog. You can get this catalog here, you have to edit yourself. You can combine it also with the country. For instance, instead of OBP, you can add BE from Belgium and then OBP, for instance. Then you have the catalog number. This is the number in this catalog, in OBP, for instance. Then you have the description. It's the name. You can say the name of your stamp. Then if it is it a series, yes or no? Then the series the stamp belongs to. Then the date that it appeared. Then the type is stamp. Then is this record active, yes or no? And then you have here other options. You have the option to edit, the option to see the details, the option to add details, and also an option to delete an item. You see everything here in a tabular way, but there is also a possibility to see everything in a pivot kind of way, like a pivot table. But that we will see later. On top of the screen you have also two other icons, a plus sign here to add a stamp, and here you have a PDF sign to generate a PDF of your stamps. As you know, a stamp It can belong to a series, but you have also stamps that don't belong to a series. But let me tell you, the best way to work with this stamp module is, even if a certain stamp doesn't belong to a series, to create a series for the stamp. Why? Because you can have different products of a stamp. For instance, FDCs, etc. and the stamp itself. So in our example here, we have a series called Epauletten. It's a very known series. They are the first Belgian stamps. And to this series belong a lot of stamps, as you see here. And even if you page here, you see the other ones. These are all stamps that belong to the series Epauletten. So if you have a lot of stamps that belong to a certain series, it's not always easy to have a main overview of your stamps if it is in a normal table view like here. That's why you have also another option. If you have a series like here, this is a series yes, and you click here on the I, you see you have a complete other view of your series, an easier view with all the properties, etc. Later on I will explain you how to add all those options. So let's go back to the previous screen. Let's see now the different options for a stamp. So you can edit your stamp. If you click on edit, you see here the screen to edit your stamp. You can change the catalog number, etc. If you click on the eye icon, you see the details of your stamp. Here you see all the different details of your stamp details. You see here unused stamp without cancellation, used stamped, and used on cover. For those details I will explain it later. If you click on the plus sign, you can add extra details, as you see. And if you click on the X sign, you can delete this stamp. We are not gonna do it now, so cancel.